Hello students, welcome to my channel RH Chemistry Exam Navigator. In today's video, let us discuss about very important concept for JEE NEET exams, reducing agents in organic chemistry. Lecture 1 I have written because in one lecture I cannot finish all the reducing agents, so I will take 2 lectures for this part. So here I have written substrate, and in this first lecture, remember, only I am talking about these 4 reducing agents. So what is the use of this? When to use? If we use this, what type of conversion take place? All these things we are going to discuss in this particular case. Yes. So first I will write the substrate. So first one we consider in this particular case, remember, RCHO. RCHO is nothing but aldehyde, right? So this aldehyde, when it reacts with lithium aluminum hydride in ether, very important reagent in organic chemistry. So lithium aluminum hydride, so you are going to get primary alcohol. So you are going to get primary alcohol, that is RCS2OH you are going to form. RCS2OH, that is primary alcohol you are going to obtain. So here also you are going to get same RCS2OH. So that here you can understand the difference between these different reducing agents. So when alcohol react with NaBH4 also you will get the same, and B2H6 in tetrahydrofuran, that is THF, here also you are going to get the same thing, RCS2OH, and here also you are going to get same. Which means in this case there is no difference. So aldehyde converted into primary alcohol by all the 4 reducing agents. Let us see second reagent, that is here I am going to take ketone. So RC double bond O R. So here you are going to get secondary alcohol. Remember, secondary alcohol is going to form in this case. Secondary alcohol, I will write the formula as RCHOHR. You are going to get secondary alcohol, and remember, here also you are going to get secondary alcohol. Here also you are going to get secondary alcohol. Here also you are going to get secondary alcohol, so that there is no difference with the second also, that is ketone. Then we consider third important one, that is acid. RCOOH I will consider. If you consider RCOOH, what will happen? See, in this case remember, RCS2OH is going to form, primary alcohol is going to form. But very important, remember, here there is no reaction take place. When sodium borohydride, NaBH4, there is no reaction when this acid, it may be acetic acid, propanoic acid, like that, acid will never undergo any reaction with NaBH4. Then remember, here also you are going to get RCS2OH. Here also you are going to get RCS2OH. But with this, I will tell you, with hydrogen in presence of nickel, so with conditions apply, RCS2OH you are going to obtain. RCS2OH you are going to obtain. But what is the condition then? What is the condition? So remember, only with, this is only with ruthenium carbon and copper Ba and chromium oxide, and remember Wilkinson's catalyst. Wilkinson's catalyst. So Wilkinson's catalyst. Andre, so H2 in presence of nickel will reduce RCOOH to RCS2OH only with this condition. So ruthenium carbon or copper, barium, chromium oxide and Wilkinson's catalyst should be present. Then only the reaction conversion take place. Otherwise, no reaction take place. So very important. With these three substrate we have discussed. So let us discuss about remaining substrate. So then fourth one I am going to consider. In this particular case, fourth one I am going to write, that is, in this particular case, remember, so RCO, Cl will take this time. RCOCl, or you can also write as RCOX, acid halide. RCOX is nothing but acid halide I am going to take. Here you are going to get RCS2OH once again with lithium aluminum hydroxide, and here there is no reaction. Here also there is no reaction, and here you are going to get RCS2OH. RCS2OH, here also you are going to obtain. That is fourth one. Then we will see fifth one. In case of the fifth one, remember I will take, so ester, RCOO R dash. Ester is going to, when you see the ester, when it reacts with lithium aluminum hydride, you are going to get, remember, RCS2OH plus R dash OH you are going to form. So remember, in this case no reaction. So in this case also same product, RCS2OH plus ROH. So here also same product, RCS2OH plus R dash OH. So very important with ester. Then sixth one we consider anhydride. Anhydride, I will write it like this, RCO twice O. Anhydrides. So with anhydrides, what will happen? Let us see. So in this particular case, here also remember you are going to get two molecules of RCS2OH with lithium aluminum hydride. And here it is no reaction, easy to remember, most of the case it has no reaction. Then here also RCS2OH. Here also you are going to get RCS2OH. Seventh one we consider, that is alkene. Alkene, I will write it like this, RCH double bond CHR. Now what is the reaction take place? Very important point is that lithium aluminum hydride, no reaction. It will never reduce double bond. Very important point, remember my dear students. So no reaction with the double bond, and here also there is no reaction, and here you are going to get RCS2CS2R. That is the alkane you are going to form, and here also I will write the same thing, RCS2CS2R you are going to get. In both the cases, same product you are going to obtain. So then that is seventh one. Then we will see eighth one. In this particular case, here I will consider alkyl halide. So alkyl halide I have written, you can say. So here you are going to get RH. It is not RH chemistry, remember. This is alkane. So RH means alkane. So here no reaction take place once again. There is no reaction with sodium borohydride, and there is no reaction here also, and there is no reaction here also, remember. So there is no reaction in all the three, only RX converted into RH in presence of lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent. So this is about eighth one. So once again you can see all those things, very important for exam point of view. Remember the differences. Then we'll see remaining, right? So 8 substrate I have finished. Now we'll consider ninth one. So in case of the ninth one, remember I will consider cyanide, RC triple bond N. So RC triple bond N if you consider cyanide, remember very important, in this case you are going to get, remember, RCHO or RCH2NH2. RCHO or RCS2NH2. Why I have written two product, I will tell you. So when you will get that RCHO, so remember, if the reaction condition is minus 50 degrees Celsius, you are going to get RCHO. So cyanide converted into aldehyde only when minus 50 degrees Celsius. Actually what happens, first it will convert it into imine salt, remember. So imine salt is going to form. Imine salt antandre, so RCH double bond N lithium. So imine salt of lithium you are going to get, then it will get converted into RCHO when minus 50 degrees Celsius. So then when this will form only when, remember, there is a normal temperature. There is a normal temperature, you are going to get RCS2 NS2. Then, very simple, here there is no reaction, here there is no reaction, and here, so you are going to get primary amine RCS2 NH2. Fine, understood? Yes. Now next we'll move to 10th one. So 10th one I will consider RNO2, nitroalkanes. RNO2, remember, here you are going to get RNS2, lithium aluminum hydride. Here no reaction, and remember here also no reaction, and here you are going to get RNS2. RNS2 you are going to obtain. Right? Now, the 11th one. In case of the 11th case, I will take ARNO2. So, nitroarenes. So, C6H5NO2, nitrobenzene, like that. So, here, very important point, remember, RNO2 give rise to RNS2. R is alkyl group. When it is aryl group, you are going to get diazo salt. That is AR, N double bond N, AR. You are going to get the compound like this. N double bond N is going to form. Very, very important point. When ARNO2 react with ALH4, you are going to get this. And remember here no reaction, and here no reaction, and here you are going to get ARNH2. Simple. So aniline is going to form in this case. So that is about 11th substrate. And the last substrate in this case, remember, that is 12th one I will consider. Here alkyl halide we have seen. Aryl halide we will consider ARX. Aryl halide. Very important with aryl halide, lithium aluminum hydride, no reaction. Remember, no reaction. And here also no reaction. Here also no reaction. But here you are going to get benzene, remember. So you are going to get benzene in this particular case. ARH, you are going to get benzene. Very important. These are the 12 substrates I have taken. Most commonly what we come across in organic chemistry. So for Neet Jee part. So these are the differences between 4 reagents you have to know. So now I am going to tell you. So some very important point about lithium aluminum hydride. So lithium aluminum hydride. So remember LiAlH4. Very important reagent in organic chemistry. So some important point is that it will does not reduce. So point to be noted, remember, it will does not reduce double bond or triple bond. So remember, it will never reduce double bond or triple bond, which means, for example, if the reaction is like this, CH3 CH double bond CH CHO, you are going to get the product. This double bond will never be reduced, but CHO reduced to CH2OH we have seen. So the product found will be CH3 CH double bond CH CS2OH. Very important reagent. So remember, does not reduce double bond or triple bond. But very important, but reduces, remember, double bond. Here it will not reduce double bond, but it will reduce us double bond when pH, nothing but C6H5 group, remember, C6H5 group is attached to beta carbon, very important, beta carbon of double bond. Beta carbon of double bond. So remember, it will not reduce double bond, but it will reduce double bond when C6H5 group is attached to beta carbon of the double bond. Beta carbon of the double bond means what? I will tell you another example here. Carefully see that. C6H5 CH double bond CH CHO. That is, when lithium aluminum hydride is used, you are going to get the product C6H5 CH2 CS2 CS2OH. Here you can see this double bond is not reduced, but here you can see this double bond is reduced when C6H5 group is present. So generally you remember it as it reduces polarized multiple bond. Remember, it will reduce polarized multiple bond. Polarized multiple bond ಎಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು? C double bond O or C double bond N or C triple bond N or N double bond O. These are called as polarized multiple bond. Polarized multiple bond can be reduced by this particular lithium aluminum hydride, but double bond is not reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. This is about lithium aluminum hydride, and 4 reagents I have discussed in the first class, the lecture number 1. In the next lecture, I am going to explain about different reducing agents like Lemonson's reducing agent, Rosenmund's reduction, Stephen's reduction. So all these reducing agent I am going to explain. After that, I will take similarly oxidizing agent series. Thank you for watching. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel for some more videos like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.